Hi everyone, this is the fourth video of JavaScript principles tutorial, and in this video we will discuss about variables declaration and initializing, and also assignment. What these terms mean for variables. Actually, we use all these operations in our code, but we didn't discuss about it. And let's discuss. Yeah. For example, if I create variable, I use var keyword and name of my variable. For example, variable my age. Don't forget about camel case. My age. Yeah. This is the process of variable creation. Yeah. This is declaration. We declare that we create new variable my age in the system, and our interpreter of browser that interpreters our JavaScript code understand that it's a new variable and it needs new part of our memory on computer, your smartphone, tab or laptop, it doesn't matter. Okay, so it's a process of creation. It has a name, a declaration. We declarate that we create a new variable, and also we can put the value in this variable in this place, and it is named as initializing. For example, my age is 28. I put this value in this variable, and it's initializing. Yeah. So when we put the value of a variable with the process of creation, it's initializing. It's the first time when we put some value inside the variable, initializing. Before initializing, my age has another value, default value. Let's check this value of my age and default. Alert my age. I use run button for running my code. Yeah, 28. But if I use this one code, I didn't put any value in my age here, but this my age variable has some value in it, default value, and default value for variables is undefined in JavaScript. In other languages, for example Java, C# and some other languages, you use type of variable, number, string, and something else, and default value can be different between several types. But in JavaScript, we don't use types for declaration of our variables, so default type is undefined. Okay, and also we discussed about assignment. What is assignment? Assignment is a process when we use equal sign and say that put the value from the right side to the left side. This is assignment, the process when we use equals or equals or equality sign. Also, we can reassign the value of my variable, my age. So I can use my age equals or is 29. Yeah. And if I use this variable in my program, I can see that it's 29, not 28. Yeah. So we can initialize just one time. It's a process when we put our value in the variable first time. But when we But assignment is a process that we can repeat in several places. We can assign in this place and also we can reassign in another place. And if we check the value of my variable here, we can see that it's 28 here, but 29 here. Let's check it. 28 and 29 here. Why we can use several values of one variable? Because our code is reading line by line. So this line is the first of our code, yeah, in this part of code. This line is on the second place. So my age is 28 because on line before this alert I said that my age is 28 and I use this value here, but on another lines I can reassign the value of my variable my age, and this one alert uses this value, yeah. If I change it, all alerts will use my age with the same value, yeah. Okay. Yep, two alerts use the same value. Okay, well, I will see you in the next video. Thanks.